Still confused about RCI's new MA clinical psychology rules? Let me explain everything clearly, correctly, and without misinformation. RCI has replaced MPhil clinical psychology with a 2-year MA in clinical psychology, which is fully RCI regulated and effective from 2026 academic session. So it's a full-time clinical training course with classroom plus hands-on clinical practice. The aim is to prepare you as a competent clinical psychologist able to assess, diagnose, treat and rehabilitate clients. Talking about eligibility, now listen very carefully because this is where most people get confused. First point, you should have 4 years of BA or BSc psychology from RCI or UGC recognized institute. You need to have minimum 55% marks, 50% for SCs and STs. And that will make you directly eligible to MA in clinical psychology. Pathway B, 3-year psychology degree, and then you must either complete a 4th year bridge course or pass the first year of a psychology masters with 55%. So no, a random degree or psychology studied for 1 year is not enough. Psychology must be your core subject. Coming to selection process, admission involve a written entrance exam 70% weightage plus an interview 30% weightage. The institute sends the final list to RCI after selection. How to apply? Each university has its own application, usually via their website. You will also need online CRR registration with the Rehabilitation Council of India to practice legally. Talking about colleges, many universities are now getting RCI approval for this MA program. Some known ones include Manav Rachna University, Christ University, SGT University, Amity University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, and more 20 plus colleges, and the list is expanding. So please don't panic. If you want to check out the names of colleges, then check out the caption. And a 3-year degree is not useless and a 4-year degree is not the only path. What matters is doing it the right way. And people concerned about MPhil, then no, MPhil is not discontinued. There are many universities which still are providing MPhil course, and they will provide till 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029 minimum. So if you want to check out the name of colleges which are currently providing MPhil degree as well, you can check out the caption. So follow for real psychology career guidance. Facts over fear. Bye-bye.